day 5 of the flood. It's cold. Really hard to see.
In 5 days, the rain actually stopped.
Yep. The gate looks fantastic, by the way.
So I had to put those cords just because it was so windy. It was just...
Yeah. Yeah. We're going for a drive, monkey. We're going for a drive. Okay. So this dam, which is hard to see behind here, this is the one that pushes into ours and breaks
That you can see the water
ours. You
there.
can see the water.
Wait, yeah.
Just go.
He's not gonna go through it.
No chance.
Oh.
If he does, he's done. Okay, pillow, okay. Okay.
No, he's not going.
Misha! Mish! This was a river the last 5 days. All the way down there. From up there. Still steep. A tiniest little trickle of water. They're not always that quiet and behaved. But there you go. The new little baby with her sisters. Good morning everyone and happy Sunday. I hope you're all doing fantastically well today. I am sitting here with my pupperoos and just taking them out for wees actually, because we've got a supercell outbreak happening today. So we got notification yesterday that there was a big storm cell coming through and would be a little bit full on today. So unfortunately we can't really do anything else. So the last few weeks have been a little bit challenging and full on. We had a big flood. Regardless, we had about 6 days of solid rain, with the last 2 days particularly, so I think it was Friday and Saturday, or Saturday and Sunday, dumping a year's worth of rain in 2 days. So, but the thing is, here where we are, we had that for 6 days. So we got flooded in, roads in and out of town were flooded. You couldn't even drive out of our road at one stage, which, like, we know this is what happens all the time. So there was that, and then after that, so, you know, when the rain had finally stopped, then we lost power for a couple of days, intermittently throughout. Twice we lost power, and Mish, and then we also lost cellular and internet service. So it was really challenging because we had no internet, you know, couldn't even use the like 5G or 4G on your phone. And then if that wasn't happening, then we'd lose power and you'd have this like 85% humidity day. It was like 28 degrees here, but it'd be like 80% humidity plus. And, you know, you're sitting outside basically sweating, you know, because you can't go inside. It's too hot. You have no aircon. So it's been a really challenging couple of weeks. And then to top it off, we introduced a new puppy into our pack. So I am glad that summer is officially over. The wet season's not officially over, but summer is officially over. So in terms of heat, that's kind of starting to wane. I've already noticed next week the temperatures are getting down to a little bit more manageable levels, where it's like 26 during the day. It's not as humid, and the night times are a little bit cooler. So we've already started noticing night times are much cooler. So it's definitely much easier to sleep, you know, straight away off the bat. So yeah, so that's been our couple of weeks. So other than that, we'll finish this spoken monologue here, and I'll get to showing you what else is happening on the farm and then your puppy. Oh, here we go, guys. Look. Very dangerous superstorm coming our way. Look at those trees. Look at that. How much it's swaying. Whoa, it's a really big hailstorm coming in. It's kind of hard to tell. My phone doesn't really give the accurate colour. It always brightens it. Whoa. There we go. here we are, finally 3 weeks after all the rain and flooding and storms and supercells, and we are finishing the fence. Yay! Yeah, just pull them together, that'll be fine. That looks really good. Inside. That's the gate. That's the entryway. Now it's all closed off and Moose can come at the front. The only thing we have to do is just put some star pickets around the dam, isn't it?
Paint that.
Paint it and put star pickets. But I mean, it's safe for him to go now.
Yeah. And then it's up to you if you want to run a bottom wire or top wire.
Maybe just a bottom. We'll see how we go. Yay!
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Looks good.
It's got to be good when it's painted.
Yeah, it's going to look really
Find
good.
the posts and that to match the colour of the
To match the colour of the, yeah.
Yeah, it should be right. Alright.
Alright, bye.
Gotta finish this.
I came up to watch Serge. To film him doing the painting. It looks like Moosey wants to help too. Moosey, you want to help Daddy? Hey, aren't you brave? Hey, see your helper?
Yeah, no. Just been away all the time. I think he does it purposely, just tries to get in the way.
He does it purposely to get in the way?
Yeah. And the I've got a company now. Suppose you're going to stick the paint now.
How funny is that?
Okay.
Missy Moose.
I don't know if it's going to work, because this is a brand new gun and I haven't used it before, so...
I love your safety shoes.
Yeah.
Hello, love. Hello. It's actually the perfect time when you're up here for him to come up so that he gets used to the sounds. You know what I mean? The clanging. It's the trucks that put him off, not the cars. as you can see, Moosey is now in this front paddock. And all this grass behind me is dinner. So we have now saved on having to get another bale, probably for about 3 weeks actually. So we'll see how long it takes him to get through this. It'll be really exciting, but he's loving it. He's out here all the time. He first stayed kind of like here in the front, which he tends to do, you know, like when he's exposed to something new, he'll always kind of stay near us where he's comfortable, and then he slowly ventures out a little bit by a little bit. So Serge has gone up there obviously to do the spraying, and he went up there straight away, which is good because he can, you know, get used to all the sounds and everything. So yeah, so now Moosey can use his front paddock. All done, yay! So this has been my workaround for my avocado plants, because Miss Cookie and Miss Mickey like to pull them out. So we had to get my grandfather's table, which I usually use for seed, doing seeds up, and put these on. And obviously haven't started any seeds yet because of the wild weather. There they are over there, the troublemakers. So yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate your patience as well. I know that everyone, I've been getting so many messages like, when's the next vlog coming out? When's it coming out? So I know, you know, you've all been keen to see what we've been doing and how we've been going with the flood. So obviously there was a delay because of the flood and some of the wild weather and not having internet, not having power. So that should be all good for now. So stay tuned, obviously. Make sure you do have your notifications on for when our next vlog is released. Hopefully we'll be able to get into the garden, because the garden's just gone to caca and needs to, you know, I might need to just put a like a green manure crop in there for a couple of months. So yeah, so just thank you once again for all your follows and likes and subscribes and comments, and I really love engaging with all of you, and I really do hope you enjoy our vlogs. So yeah, so that'll be it for now. We'll see you next time. Bye.